Hi, my name's Freethy. I'm one of the program managers here at Cornwall College Electrical Department. We provide a wide range of electrical courses, probably the most extensive in Cornwall. So we start at level 1, we progress to level 2 full-time, and also level 3. We also run electrical apprenticeship standards for England. I'm just here in the workshop. We've got an example of, this is a fault finding board. So this is something you probably do at level 3 or in the third year of the apprenticeship. We cover all manners of domestic, commercial and industrial systems. We've got a maintenance pathway, so if you're interested in going down that route, that is my background personally, it's also something we can provide. As I said, Cornwall College provides the widest range of electrical courses in the county, and we've got a very good reputation, and we have great teachers. They've come from a wide range of industry, lots of different backgrounds. They're enthusiastic, so we'll provide you with all the skills ranging from the necessary health and safety all the way up through to the advanced principles. On completion of any of the courses, there's lots of progression routes, even up to foundation degree level here at Cornwall College. Hi, this is the new mezzanine floor. So because of the growth of the department, we've been able to invest, and by September we'll have 14 new bays up on this area, and that will give us an increase of about 30%. So we're really excited about this and looking forward to getting all you students in and using it. So if you join us on one of our full-time courses, for a small investment, we would help provide you with a set of tools. So these are handy, so everyone gets to start from the same place. Some of the bigger tools are in the workshop, and we can have a look at those a little bit later. But we also require PPE to be used when we're in the workshop. So things like gloves for when we're cutting metal, really important, and obviously protecting our precious eyesight. What's really handy is the latest edition of the wiring regulations on-site guide. So this is small enough to keep with your toolkit in your locker that will be supplied, and you can take this with you throughout your career until it changes to the next edition. As full-time students, the college likes to organise you to go on some trips throughout the year. For example, we've been to the Energy Recovery Centre in St Denis. Some of you will know that is the incinerator. We've visited Goonhilly, and one group went to Penzance Fire Station this year and had a good laugh. They had to go through the firefighters' fitness drill. We also take you away up to Exeter when the trade shows are on, and there's always the opportunity to join in competitions. We've got very strong employer links, and that's very important this year because as part of your course, you will be expected to do some work experience or industry placements. In addition to your own personal toolkit, the college also provides a range of other tools that you'll be able to use in the workshop. So as we said, we've got level 1s, level 2s and full-time level 3 in addition to the apprenticeships. I'd like to introduce you to my colleague who's the course manager for the full-time level 2. His name is Mark, and he'll take you through his course.
Hi, my name's Mark. I'm the Level 2 Electrical Installation Programme Manager here at Cornwall College. I come from a background where I ran my own successful company for over a decade, and having decided that I'd achieved everything I decided I wanted to, I thought a new challenge. So I'm here teaching the next level of electricians to come out and enter the industry competent and capable. So the course itself is a 2.5 day a week full-time course, as we call it. You will be required to do at least 1 day a week practical experience away from the college, a work placement, be that paid or unpaid, that's down to you. So as I said, this is a 1-year course. You'll cover all the basic modules to get your career started on a solid foundation. We'll take you through disciplines including health and safety, the legislation, working with others, and you'll get lots of practical. And in the practical, you'll be dealing with things like twin and earth cable, FP for fire installations, armoured cable, mineral insulated. We'll also take a look at ancient cables, lead lined, rubber, containment such as tray, and on successful completion, you can then progress on to the level 3 course. I'll now introduce you to Peter, level 3 Programme Manager.
Thank you, Mark. I'm Peter. I'm the Programme Manager for Electrical Installation Advanced Diploma Level 3. and my background is in physics and electrical engineering teaching and research, and also I've run my own business doing electrical inspection and testing and installation work for the last 9 years. I'm going to show you a bit about what level 3 is for. Okay, so on completion of your level 2 course, you will move on to level 3, where we will go into more depth and greater understanding of all the wiring systems involved in industry, commercial and domestic premises. We'll take you through all the modules, which will include environmental technologies, the wiring regulations, inspection and testing, and fault diagnosis. And this is an aspirational course. You will have something to be proud of when you achieve it.
This will be your level 3 workshop, and in here you'll be coming a step closer to becoming a qualified electrician. I'll hand you back to Anthony to talk to you about apprenticeships.
As well as our full-time courses, Cornwall College also deliver the Electrotechnical Apprenticeship for England. Over the years we've taught thousands of apprentices throughout Cornwall their trade, and they've become qualified. And indeed some of those employers are now having apprentices of their own.
My name is George Orty. I work for Fugro Geoservices Limited. I completed a 4-year electrical apprenticeship at Cornwall College, which led me into working on worldwide contracts for the company. I've since been promoted to electrical supervisor and started a HNC and MVQ level 4 in electrical engineering, also with Cornwall College.
The course can last up to 4 years long. It covers all of the outcomes and units that you need to become fully qualified. That includes obviously health and safety, a lot of the practical assessments, inspection and testing, the current wiring regulations, and it all finishes off at the end of the time with an endpoint assessment. This is like a driving test for 3 days, and you can have a couple of minors but no majors. It's a real challenge. So if you think you're up to it, please come and join us at Cornwall College.